The Negative Impact of Social Networking Sites. Everybody knows that social media, such as Facebook or Twitter, negatively affects productivity, and indiscretions and rudeness can damage relationships. New research in the Journal of the Royal Society Interface puts forward that it can also reduce our intelligence. In the first place, the time that you spend growing crops in Farmville and other such apps could be spent reading a book or learning something. However, it seems that using social media causes us to copy others. The study placed volunteers in 5 artificial social networks. While some of these networks provided a tight net and close contact with others kept members distant. Then the volunteers were given some difficult brain teasers and monitored to see how well they did. In the short term, those with many close connections scored better, but not because they were smarter. It was because they were simply copying. The more times the volunteers with close connections were asked questions and the more chance they had to copy, the smarter they appeared, reports phys.org. Those who had many connections were able to see when they were wrong and were able to copy somebody to get it right. Despite the short-term increase in correct scores, the volunteers were not, however, able to figure things out better when they were once again alone. Those who had copied and appeared smarter were no better able to figure out the answer to a new question. These results can be taken positively by both those who like and dislike social media. In terms of groups, the results are positive. Phys.org states that the capability to copy others in large networks means analytical responses increase and better decision-making takes place amongst those who enjoy a large number of connections. But, on an individual basis, we cannot see such positive outcomes. Social networks do not make you smarter, and they may actually make you less intelligent since you can get the right answers without using your brain. Your ability to analyze and deduce correct answers will decrease, just like a muscle that is never exercised. The team that carried out the research concluded that less need for analytical thinking decreases our ability to do it, and being more connected may actually, in the long term, initially make us smarter and then make us stupid.